Do I have to eat fruit?
Uh-huh.
You sure? Okay.
That's sport. It's sport.
Say excuse me.
Excuse me. Sport. Really.
Look, Maggie, see? There's Kitty. There's Kitty.
Oh, you're so cute.
Uh-huh.
Now let me get some sport candy.
Some sports candy?
Now, you have to say happy birthday to me. Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maggie. Happy birthday to you.
Say blow your candles.
Blow your candles.
No. I sliced the cupcake.
Slice a cupcake? Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Yay! 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 Owie! Yay!
Tickles, tickles, tickles. You're gonna go get me some more fruits?
Juice in there? No.
What are you gonna
Sauce
get?
in there.
What are you making?
Drink for me.
A drink?
I'm going to make. Don't drink mine. It's hot.
Okay, I won't drink yours.
You can drink the girls.
Huh?
You just drink that.
No, I didn't drink it. See, it's completely in there. You spilled mine!
Sorry? No, I didn't.
Okay. Can I have it?
No, I can't do it yet.
I can't have my drink? Okay.
Not ready. Don't drink it.
Okay, I won't drink it.
It's burning.
It's hot?
It will burn your tongue.
Alright, I won't drink it right now.
It's done now.
Very good, Maggie. You're a good cook.
It's Gatorade.
It's Gatorade?
I have to get Gatorade.
I didn't know you had to cook Gatorade.
I didn't get Gatorade. I have to get Gatorade. This is Gatorade. It's juicy.
It's juicy?
Yeah.
Like your apple?
Yeah. There's 2 apples. One is mine.
How about let's do this?
Don't shove.
See, now there's 1 apple.
Like this.
Right, how? See, there's a person.
Who's hitting her?
Do you think they're pretty?
Yeah. What are they doing?
Dancing. See, there's a guy, and he has a mask on because it's a masquerade ball.
He needs it on?
That's how he gets invited to the party.
Oh.
I think.
Eat your apple.
I want a second.
It's good.
That's very yummy, Maggie.
Yeah. Pour it. Pour it. Oh, this is mine. One is for me. One is for Jeremy.
All right.